Vigilance around drug safety incidents have traditionally relied upon manual review of spontaneous adverse event reports. This entails large teams of medical professional personnel sifting through volumes of adverse event reports, incurring unwarranted costs to the pharma industry. An estimated 15% year-on-year increase in data submitted for review and multiple other drivers are influencing a shift towards automated detection of adverse drug reactions. Virtusa Polaris PV intake solution addresses this problem by automating the work of PV personnel who manually enter data into systems of records by referencing submitted AE reports. It perpetually monitors multiple channels such as email inboxes, file sharing locations, and social media channels to automatically capture adverse event data and capture it to a digital record to be triaged and stored with minimal human intervention. To demonstrate the PV intake solution's capability, we start by simulating the receipt of an adverse event via email. We attach an adverse event sample report, which contains handwritten text, to an email and route it to a pre-designated email address. After a few seconds, this AE sample will be captured by Virtusa Polaris intake solution, processed using OCR, ICR, and NLP to derive the salient points within the report. The processed AE sample will then be automatically routed to PV user. As the adverse event is ingested, it will be parked under one of four categories: serious, non-serious, duplicate, or other, which is the category for invalid or incomplete reports or product complaints. The solution provides a useful summary dashboard to PV safety managers to associate review statuses and aging of ingested reports. It also allows the PV safety managers to drill deeper by clicking on the dashboard elements. The subsequent view provides PV safety managers the prima facie view of the fields extracted from processed adverse event reports. Salient data points are made visible to the user at first glance, but could be drilled down further by clicking on the relevant adverse event ID. In its most granular form, an adverse event report is broken down into three separate panels. The topmost panel showcases its unique identifier: severity, uploaded and reviewed dates, review status, and aging. The bottom, left, and right panels are used in conjunction with each other, with the left panel allowing the PV user to view the raw image of the adverse event report, the text that was extracted through OCR, a translation of the extracted text to English where relevant, and an annotated view of the document, clearly highlighting the extracted data points. On the right-hand side, the extracted data points are displayed to the PV user, who could edit these fields as necessary and view the percentage degrees of accuracy the system associates to each extracted data point. Through this interface, the PV user is able to complete the review of an ingested adverse event report, route an AE report to a supervisor for further review, or relay the processed data points via an XML through a SOAP service to the Pega pharmacovigilance solution.